are damn bright. I mean, they are really bright. Let me show you how much they light up the road. Those are really nice lights. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. CarStomIt. Got another quick video for you. Today we're working on the 2009 Volkswagen CC. We're just changing the headlight bulbs. So without further ado, let's CarStomIt. Also, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Is it here? Hit the subscribe button and put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos. All right guys, don't worry, this is just a little dirty. Anyway, we are changing, I believe this is the driving lights, the one that's right on the corner. We're gonna change this bulb, so let's go ahead and change it now. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you, this is the bulb. This is where I got the bulbs from last fit. I'm gonna put the link down below. I am affiliated with the last fit, so if you guys use this link below, I'll get a little kickback. It would help out the channel. So anyway, let me open it up and show you guys what's in the box. Here we go. Little, I guess a little product manual, I guess, to show you how to change it depending on the bulb that you're doing. This varies from bulb to bulb, by the way. Okay, last fit sticker, another one, and a white one. And here are the bulbs. Okay, these are H7 bulb. Let me take it out real quick so you guys can see. It looks very nice. I like that they have also a glare protector as well. So here you go. There is a small fan in the back. Okay, and this is the connection. So let's go and put them in the car. All right guys, so the driving light is on this corner where the fluid washer reservoir is. You put your hands over here, twist it. Ooh. Oh, I dropped it. Hold on. I hope it's gonna work. Okay, I got the cover. The bulb is already out. Okay, so the light is like that. Just trying to not touch this. Grab it on the side and pull it out. So here is the old one, here's the new one. Let's hope they fit. Let's plug it in first. Okay, let's see if I can fit it in there. Okay, I got it. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to explain the way you put this in. So these two tabs, there's like two screws. The screws are one like on the top, so you need to put the light like this and then you twist it. Once you twist it, it locks under the two screws that's in the light housing itself. I'm gonna see if I can show it to you. It's not easy, but I'm gonna try. Basically, these two tabs need to go this way. So once you put the light in here, which is this guy, this connector, all you have to do is twist it like that and then it will lock itself. And to take it off is the same way you untwist it. So since I'm putting the LEDs, I'm gonna see if I can put this and the cover on, but let's see. Let's try to push this connector, just let it hang right here. Okay, so the cover, you should just put it on, twist it. Let's see if it's gonna close. Please close. Let's find how to put it on. Close, it's inches. Oh yeah, perfect. You just keep twisting the cover until you find the tabs. Twist it, it's on. Let's test it. Nope, it's not on. Oh, I think I may have to twist it. Okay guys, so if it doesn't work at first, you may have to switch out the plug. Take it out and then okay, and then twist it. Okay, before I close it, let's test it first. All right, those are beautiful. Look how bright this is. Oh, I can't wait to give you a look at night, guys. This looks beautiful. All right, there you go, guys, where you can really see how bright this is. We may need to adjust it at night a little later, but this is very nice. It has a little bluish tint which looks perfect. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, guys, so the driver's side is the exact same way. I think, let me see, twist down, up. Oh gosh, this one is hard. Okay, you twist up. Oh, I dropped it. Come back here. Okay, got the cover and the light. Just twist it. Okay, I got it. And then you should be able to pop the bulb out. There you go. Whew, that's not easy. Come on. Ooh, okay, I got it out. Jeez. All right, guys, so same thing with this bulb. Just trying to find the two screws. There's a little hole right up here. Use this hole to find out where the bulbs are. I mean the screws are, so you can twist the light. It's super tight, so it's hard to twist it. Hold on, I'm halfway there. All right, guys, so I just grab a little rag to get a little leverage to turn it, because my hands start getting slippery a little. Let's try putting it the other way. Try this way. Okay, there we go. That's better. Okay, it's in. Okay, let's plug. This right here is a connection for the LED, and this is part of the car right there, so you just plug it in. Sorry, it's hard to show you guys. Hold on, it's very tight. Okay, all right, it's in. Let's go test the light to see if I have it correct. All right, nice, very nice, guys. So damn bright, love it. First try. Okay, all right, guys, so this is the before, after, before, and after. Beautiful, I love it. Okay, now that we know it's working and it's all the way in, we just push the connector a little down here. Make sure the plastic is not touching anything hot. Okay, perfect, not touching anything. Grab the cover, put it in, just keep twisting it until you find, oh there, that was a quick one. There you go, she's a donor, the track star. All right, guys, you can't see it, it's too bright outside. I'll get you another video at night, guys, so you see how bright that is, and then we'll adjust it at the same time as well. So for now, that's it. Alright, guys, I wanted to give you a video of the lights at night so you can see how nice they look. They are damn bright. I mean, they are really bright. Let me show you how much they light up the road. Those those are really nice lights. Give it to you again. Those are so nice. Oh, those are beautiful. I love the way they look. All right, last look, guys. They're white with a little bluish tints. They look amazing. Nice. All right, guys, so this is also done. So nice and easy mod. Those LED looks really good, so let's see how long they last. But so far they look beautiful. At night I hope they really light up the road perfectly. From halogen to that, I mean, huge difference. But anyway, this is done. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe so you can get more of my video. Until the next time, peace.